Carding. Carding is a type of cybercrime that involves using stolen credit card information to make unauthorized purchases. It has become a major problem in recent years, with many individuals and groups using sophisticated techniques to obtain credit card information and exploit it for financial gain. In this blog, we will answer the top 10 questions about carding. 1. What is carding? Carding is a type of cybercrime that involves using stolen credit card information to make unauthorized purchases. This can involve buying goods and services online or in person, as well as using stolen credit card information to withdraw cash from ATMs. 2. How do carders obtain credit card information? Carders obtain credit card information in a variety of ways. This can include hacking into databases to steal credit card information, using skimmers to steal information from physical credit cards, and using phishing scams to trick people into giving up their credit card information. 3. What are the risks of carding? Carding is a serious crime, and those caught can face significant legal consequences. In addition, those who engage in carding put themselves at risk of being scammed or hacked themselves, as many other carders and criminals are constantly looking for new victims. 4. Can credit card companies protect against carding? Credit card companies and banks have implemented a variety of measures to protect against carding, including fraud detection software and two-factor authentication. However, carders are constantly developing new techniques to circumvent these measures. 5. What are the most common targets of carding? The most common targets of carding are online retailers, as these websites are often easier to exploit than physical stores. However, any business that accepts credit card payments is at risk of being targeted by carders. 6. How do carders use stolen credit card information? Carders can use stolen credit card information to make purchases, withdraw cash from ATMs, or sell the information to other criminals on the dark web. The stolen credit card information can also be used to create counterfeit credit cards that can be used to make unauthorized purchases. 7. Can carding be traced? Carding can be difficult to trace, as many carders use techniques such as VPNs and Tor to hide their identity and location. However, law enforcement agencies have become increasingly skilled at tracking down carders and prosecuting them. 8. How can individuals protect themselves against carding? Individuals can protect themselves against carding by being careful about who they give their credit card information to, monitoring their credit card statements regularly, and using strong passwords and two-factor authentication when possible. 9. What should businesses do to protect against carding? Businesses can protect against carding by using fraud detection software, implementing two-factor authentication, and monitoring their online transactions for suspicious activity. They should also be careful about who they hire and train their employees to detect and prevent fraud. 10. What is the future of carding? As technology continues to advance, it is likely that carding will become even more sophisticated and difficult to detect. However, law enforcement agencies and credit card companies are also developing new techniques to protect against carding and prosecute those who engage in it. Thanks for watching.